Welcome back, guys, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So I'm just going to start off by brushing my hair. My hair is low porosity and has a hard time absorbing water at first, so this just tends to speed up the process. So generally, as a rule of thumb, I do double cleanse. As you can see, this is just the first time. And notice how my hair is not really sudsing up compared to this next clip where it's my second wash and I'm getting a lot more foam and suds. I think I read somewhere that happens because the first wash is pretty much absorbing all the oils and dirt, whereas the second wash is just pretty much getting the remnants of whatever's left. So I don't know, it makes sense. So next I'm going in with my fave, which is my L'Oreal Elvive Powerhouse Mask. I love it so much and it just does such a great job at smoothing and detangling my natural hair so that by the time I do go in with my brush, it's honestly not that much work to do. This stuff makes my hair feel like butter, and I just make sure I drag it all the way to the ends. And so I just go ahead and let this sit for about 10 minutes and then go on to detangle. I'm just going to start detangling my hair all the way at the ends and working my way up until I get to my scalp. And I like to feel the bristles on my scalp because you guys know I have really thick hair, and that lets me know that everything is detangled. So if I were actually going to wear my hair in its natural state after washing it, this is when I would start braiding it in the shower. I do this many of times, and then after I get out, I'll just like put some gel around the edges, smooth out anywhere that I want it to be smooth, and then just keep it moving. But today I'm actually going to style my hair afterwards, so I'm just giving you guys this example, but I'm not going to keep it in these braids. So now I'm just taking my Color Wow Dream Coat leave-in as well as my L'Oreal Elvive Hyaluronic Plump leave-in, my Way Heat Protectant, and then my Giovanni's Shine Mist. And I'm just going to put that throughout my hair and just get it ready to be blow dried by RevAir. I already did the other side, so this is just me prepping the next side. So fast forward to me straightening my hair. I actually created a little bit of curl and wave with the flat iron. I figured it would just help it kind of to last a little longer too. I didn't really feel like using the curling iron, and I don't generally like wrap my hair or sleep with a silk scarf or bonnet. I just usually put it in kind of like a little messy bun, and I thought that by me maybe adding a little bit of waves or curls to it, like it would kind of help prolong my straightened hair. So yeah, I just pretty much just added some waves and curls with the flat iron. It's a little awkward for me because I'm left-handed. And if you guys see like some reddish brownish pieces in my hair, that is from when like 2 times ago I was using black dye, and I thought that I could just use the dye even though it had sat for like about 45 minutes to an hour, and so it like completely turned a few strands like this brownish reddish color. But honestly, I don't mind it. It's kind of cute. But yeah, if you're seeing like some brownish red pieces in my hair, that is why. But I actually kind of like it. I don't know. I was sitting here and trying to figure out like why my hair looked super shiny, and honestly I think it's the Giovanni hair gloss or high glossed hair mist. I think that really added a lot of shine to my hair because I sprayed it in my hair before I blow dried, and then I just kind of let it sit overnight. And that's another thing, guys. This is like the next day. This is like not all in one night. This is completely the next day. And I let that sit in my hair overnight, and then I started straightening it this morning. And I think that is why my hair looks super shiny like that. So yeah, it's always great to just like add a heat protectant to your hair before straightening it. The Way hairspray that I use, as well as the Giovanni high gloss hair mist that I use before even blow drying, are two really great heat protectants. They really do help add shine to your hair while also protect it. And this is why silicones are so loved by me, because not only do they help you detangle, but they also protect your hair. So after I straighten my hair, sometimes I like to just like twist up my hair and put it in clips for a few minutes just while I get dressed. This kind of helps add some more body and wave to my hair, and I'll show you when I come right back. Alright, so I'm just going to take these clips out and see how it just kind of adds a little bit more wave to the hair. I love this, and I love doing it when I remember. And now I'm just going to take a little bit of that Giovanni High Gloss Hair Mist and spray that through my hair, as well as the Kenra Anti-Humidity Spray that did not want to focus. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you later. Bye.